ukulungisa le ukukhuleka bazalwane aphelele eceleni bazalwane siphendulweni ngokuyasho lapha kubani kuJeremiya chapter 33 verse 3 uthi ngibizeni zokuphendula kodwa phelele lapho I will show you great and mighty things. So indaba bazalwane yokukhuleka iphelele endabeni yokuthi bazalwane sizocela bezocela uNkulunkulu ebedala sinike so kanje kakhulu vele uNkulunkulu uyibekile izinto around thina ukuthi sibone ukuthi sihlele isidinga yena so lezi zinto bese sisithaphile ukuthi we need to call him bazalwane kumele focus eceleni nasefuneni izinto uNkulunkulu we have to focus on the side of journeying with God because uNkulunkulu inhloso yakhe ngawe akusiyo ukuthi ucele yakunike but it is to tell you akubonisa izinto bazalwane there's a man greater than izinto ungazicabanga that is why sibeke umoya ongcwele ngaphakathi kwethu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sithole this panel lendawo yokuthi sikwazi ukujenisa uNkulunkulu because bazalwane uyasho lesazi uphole ngomoya ongcwele uthi umoya ongcwele bazalwane izo ukuthi bekhona umuntu othi isalikonanga uthi indlela engaziwa uthi konke lokho akade enhlizweni yomuntu kodwa uthi konke lokho umoya ongcwele wamvuliwe bazalwane so basically if nasikwazi ukuthi sicommune nomoya ongcwele in the place of prayer in the place of intimacy that's why izinto uNkulunkulu ayisize lekuzona ukuthi